The U.S. Supreme Court is hearing a case challenging a Massachusetts law that keeps anti-abortion activists 35 feet away from abortion clinics. The ruling could have broad implications if the law is overturned.
Outside the Planned Parenthood in Boston, this simple yellow line represents two schools of thought. It's a line Eleanor McCullen can't cross.
I think it's pretty obvious when you see the buffer zone, and I think that you know why I'm here.
McCullen has been actively protesting Planned Parenthood's abortion services for 13 years. But because of a 2007 Massachusetts law, she can't get closer than 35 feet to the entrance, cross this line, and risk arrest.
I want to be able to hand out my brochure to anyone that would be interested in receiving it any place.
Now she's taking that argument all the way to the Supreme Court. Justices will hear arguments this Wednesday against the buffer zone law. McCullen says it violates the First Amendment right to free speech. Supporters say it protects the rights of patients and employees.
The genesis is really the behavior outside of our health centers in the late 1980s and through the 1990s. We were subject to harassment and blockades.
Marty Walsh is the president of the Planned Parenthood League of Massachusetts. As a former state representative, she was the lead sponsor of the law.
We, of course, believe that the law is constitutional and that it strikes that right balance between free speech and the right of our patients to be able to obtain their health care at our health centers.
Experts say overturning this law could have wide-reaching implications. Buffer zones exist in many forms in every state, in polling places and other secure areas.
That's what I'm saying.
For now, protesters like McCullen will have to stay back until the court decides where to draw its line. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.